Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming over to watch this video. Today I'd like to show you how to add a customer inside your Moversload members portal. To do this, come over to the login screen and go ahead and type in your username and password. Go ahead and start with mine. And then I'll go ahead and put in my password. Then go ahead and log in. Once you're inside your members portal, the second thing you need to do is add a quote. You can do this two ways. One way would be to choose the plus shopping cart looking icon on the top right, or come over to transaction and then add quote. Either option will take you over to inside the add moving quote master page. Here we will have three options. The first one would be contact details, moving destination, and moving information. Let's go ahead and begin by filling in the blanks and the options available on the contact details tab. Go ahead and add a name for your customer and also a last name. You might want to ask your customer for a phone number. This is optional. You also have the option to add an additional phone, cell phone maybe, office, day phone, evening phone, etc. Let's choose office as an example and then go ahead and put a phone number on here. You also have the option to add an additional role if you want. For example, there it is. Now you might want to have a cell phone. Make sure to ask your customer for this information so that you can utilize these additional options. If not, maybe just one field would be enough. There you go. Go ahead and add an email for your customer. Once you have all this information filled in, let's go ahead and move over to moving destination. On moving destination, we will need a moving from address and moving to address as well. Now, the required option is city. The system can automatically generate the city based on zip code. So let's go ahead and type a from zip code and to zip code just as an example so that you can see how this works and go ahead and generate those cities. So for example, as you can see now, we have the Winter Springs moving from and Orlando moving to based on the zip code, at least to be able to create that quote for your customer. Once you have this information filled in, let's go ahead and move over to moving information. On moving information, let's go ahead and ask your customer how many bathrooms. Here you have several options. For this example, I'm going to choose one bathroom. Moving date, let's say the 23rd, Thursday. Today's date, leave it as is, or you can change it. Advertising, you can choose one from these options. I'll choose Bing just for this example. Lead provider, choose one from the list. For this example, I'll choose Movers. Branch, choose one from the list. I'll choose Pete's for right now. And assign to user. Let's go ahead and choose one from the list. There you go. If you have additional comments you'd like to add to this customer, go ahead and use this option here. Once you're done, guys, you can then save. Once you have saved your customer, you can now come over to the dashboard and then choose Recent Lead. If you're dealing with several leads at a time, as you can see in this example, you might want to obviously find the name of the lead that you created. In this example, you will see that I have the name John Doe, which was the lead, in this case, the customer that we just created to our portal. There you have it, guys. That's how you go about adding a customer to your Moversload members portal.